Good morning, guys. Let us continue our discussion on Module 1, and we are going to discuss about the Industrial Revolution in this video and the enlightenment related to that. Industrial Revolution. It is a stage of history from 1780 to 1850 and began in England. Amongst the entire history of mankind, life begins on agriculture and livestock. മാനവരാശിയിൽ തന്നെ വിപ്ലവകരമായി തീർന്ന ഒരു കണ്ടുപിടുത്തമാണ് ഇതിലേക്ക് നയിച്ചത്. At the end of 18th century, Englishman James Watt invented steam engine. Until then, artisans have been dedicated to the manufacture of utensils with their own hands in small workshops. By the arrival of steam engine, that changed forever. Machines use the energy of steam to transfer it to power and moving of the machines. New machines were applied to the industry and began to do the work what the artisans used to do. So the small artisan workshops were disappearing, giving way to big industries. Due to this revolution, there was tremendous change in the transportation system also. England was filled with steam engine trains and ships. Before the Industrial Revolution, rural society was dominated by feudal landlords or nobility, and they transformed to bourgeoisie who dominated urban society. They began more rich and powerful. They started investing capital again and again in factories. Thus, a new class, proletarians or workers, emerged during this time. People could not make a living in villages, so they migrated to big cities to work in factories. They had to work in very poor conditions and little income, and even children had to work in factories in dangerous situations. Proletarians began to question this cruel exploitation. Whenever the workers asked for better conditions, the bourgeoisie compelled them to do more work. Due to the effect of books written by many enlightened thinkers, proletarians revolt, and after revolt of long time, they were able to build a working condition like present, and the child labor was also abolished. This is the story of Industrial Revolution, dear friends, from past to present and to future. By this, we are concluding our classes for today. Make a note of Industrial Revolution and submit. Thank you for watching.